So here we have the Hinshark magnetic pickup tool. This comes with a powerful magnet, a super bright LED light, and a humanized grip design. It's easy to twist and turn the light on and off. The tool extends just like a car antenna, and it extends to a whopping 31 inches from the 7.3 inches. And this is also a 2-in-1 package where you get a small size pickup tool that has a pen clip. You could attach it to your shirt, keep it in the car separate from the main tool, and you get 2-in-1 reachable magnetic pickup tools. This one goes from 5 inches to a really long 25 inches. It's made of military grade aluminum alloy, which is waterproof and shockproof. The small clip fixes the magnet stick to your pocket. This way, if you're working around the house, it's mobile with you. Here's a situation where you're working on your car and you need to pick up heavy bolts from tight spaces. You could see the power of the magnet working right here. This is a heavy bolt, and it could easily be reached by this tool, and the magnet holds it firmly in place.